In this video, I'll quickly show you how to replace the laser in a PlayStation 1 console, model SCPH-5552. To do this, we need a new laser, KSM440ADM. Remove the 6 screws from the back of the console. Because of the age of the system, the screws may be difficult to loosen. Use a small Phillips screwdriver. After removing the screws, flip the console back over. Lift the top cover straight up to remove it. After removing the cover, we can see the drive attached to the motherboard with a ribbon cable and a small connector. First, disconnect the small plug attached to the side of the drive. Grip the plastic connector firmly. Do not pull on the wire. Next, grab the ribbon cable connected to the motherboard and carefully pull it out. Great! Now unpack your new drive with the laser and repeat the steps in reverse order. On the back of the new drive, you should see a label with the correct model designation that matches your console. After reconnecting the drive, simply place it onto the 3 metal posts and put the cover back on. Everything should work without any issues.